Understand? He's a carpenter. We're gonna put this walls back, gonna build these walls back up. Guess what? I know all those things too. I'm plumbing with it, electrical with it. So therefore, we have a big wall that we can build with. So therefore, we got so much more to teach others. So you look at us and you say, hey, these niggas ain't about shit. And I'm gonna use that word because that's what y'all mainly wanna be about these niggas. But let me tell you something. The wildest nigga I ever met in my life ain't even the skin tone of brown. Caucasian, 100%. But one of the wildest niggas I ever met. And y'all say, how you ain't a nigga? Bullshit. A nigga's an ignorant motherfucker. That's all. Ain't nothing about me, him, or none of that.